Good morning, Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with a quick recap of today's USDA quarterly stocks and small grain summary. I would term today's reports, today's data as bearish for the feed grains, both corn and wheat. Neutral, maybe a little bit supportive in the beans, but we are lower across the board here. Let's start off in the corn stocks as of September 1st, ending stocks for the 24-25 marketing year. 1.532 billion bushels. That was 195 million above expectations, and it was up from 207 million bushels from the September WSDA forecast. This is due to weak feed usage. Also, we had a 25 million bushel increase to last year's crop, up to 14,892 million bushels there. On the soybeans, September 1st stocks at 316 million bushels, slightly below the average trade guess, and it was down 14 million bushels from the September WSDA, which was at 330 million. This is likely going to be due to the stronger than expected crush data. We also saw an 8 million bushel increase from last year's crop. 4.374 billion is the final production figure from the 2024 crop. Wheat stocks as of September 1st, 2.12 billion bushels. That was 77 million above the average trade guess, a result of weaker than expected demand. Also, we had a 58 million bushel increase in the winter wheat production forecast, up to 1.985 billion. Most of that was in the winter wheat. The winter wheat production came in at 1.402 billion. That was up 47 million from the August forecast. 36 million was in hard red, 13 million bushel increase in the soft red winter wheat production. And we also saw a 13 million bushel increase in spring wheat production to 497 million bushels. Corn right now down 6 to 7 cents, kind of flirting with the 50-day moving average there for the spot December contract. Wheat prices down 10 cents right now, still holding above their contract lows. However, bean prices also have drifted back, making new lows now, down 9 to 10 cents. November still holding on to trading just above that $10 level. Next USDA production report is supposed to be a week from Thursday on October the 9th. Federal government shutdown, however, could cause that to be canceled or postponed. And of course, we'll continue to monitor weather here. Looks like good harvest conditions over the next week to 10 days. And in South America, as they're beginning to plant their crop. And of course, got a lot of other things. Trump supposedly meeting with Chinese President Yi later this month in South Korea. Hopefully it can generate some sort of tailwinds here to have a trade deal done between our two countries. So thanks for listening, everyone. Hope you have a great day.